it's super difficult when they hire to do a deep cleaning, move out, when the person lived in that property for more than 10 years and now the owner wants to sell the property. One of the owners, because her mother passed away, hired us to do a deep cleaning before he put the house on the market and sell. The realtor opened the house for us and we got the surprise that is still things that the movers didn't move or put inside the garage. One of the daughters of the person who passed away was supposed to remove everything from the house. Maybe she was so busy, the movers couldn't pick up everything. I don't know. She left food inside the refrigerator. She left keys, boxes, trash, some furniture in the garage, 2 rooms with things. In the second floor, there was some things left that we have to carry and put it inside the garage. That wasn't coded properly. But I charged a decent amount of money for this deep cleaning, so I didn't ask for more money about that. We spent 1 hour extra in the morning before I start cleaning the house. Jose started picking up all the things in the second floor. In the meantime, I was grabbing the trash bag and start throwing out all the garbage, all the pieces. I came to that house like a month before they hired me for an estimate when the house was full of furniture. A lot of cat hair on the rocks on all the surface. The toilets in really bad condition, the windows in and out. It was a big project. I called for 2 days. Besides doing a deep cleaning, sanitizing and disinfecting the bathrooms, 1 bathroom upstairs, master bathroom downstairs, and a guest bathroom or a shared bathroom downstairs. So a total of 3 bathrooms and 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedrooms and a loft upstairs. There it was a laundry downstairs, the carpet in really bad shape, a lot of hair, a lot of pet hair, especially for cat hair. Big pieces on the carpet, maybe some wood or something that I asked Sonia to remove. The toilets in really bad shape. So they hired us to do a deep cleaning, all the bathrooms, open windows, clean the rails, remove the screens, clean inside the window and outside the window. We have to use a strong acidic product, especially for toilet or bowl cleaner, and we let it sit, the product. In the meantime, we start doing another thing. I record many areas of the house previously cleaning because they also hire us to do the tile and grout cleaning and steam cleaning and disinfecting the carpets. So I record for the owner the baseboard that were already stolen. So I don't want to be jeopardized for anything. Always when the owners or the landlord or the realtor hire us, we try to record before cleaning and after cleaning, so we know the condition, and not only for us or for showing our work, but also for the realtors and the owners, so they can know exactly the type of service that we do. Mineral deposit in the showers, on the top, really bad. We have to use special tools to spread a foam cleaner, white foam, Because if we spray with a normal trigger the product on the surface, most of the surface are vertical and it will slide and we're gonna lose some products. So using a foam cleaner gives us the opportunity to clink the cleaner into the surface. That's the reason why we use foam cannon, especially in the showers, so the product will stick more time into the surface and clean better. The cover of the toilet or the toilet seat was wood, and we usually don't do this treatment, but the owner needed to replace that because it was damaged already. We disinfect and clean, but however, in order to sell, he needed to replace the toilet seat at least because it was gross. Sonia Jose was in charge of all the service, all the cleaning, from top to bottom. We scheduled 2 days. I start with Jose in the morning, removing all the trash, removing all the furniture, so the house is gonna be empty. Then Sonia came using a long stick and a cobweb brush to start brushing all the corners, removing the dust and cobwebs. I already asked Sonia to remove the big pieces on the carpet because using a vacuum, and if the vacuum is gonna pull the big pieces, my vacuum belt is gonna broke. So Sonia already removed the big pieces and I start vacuuming. We use different type of supplies, different type of equipment, different type of vacuums, cleaners, microfiber cloth, depending of the condition of the house. So upstairs we use a Orec vacuum. I love that vacuum, and the reason I didn't use my regular vacuum is because it was a lot of cat hair in that house. Right now I'm showing the handle from the stair wood handle. I have some photo before and after. The person who lived there was 10 years without cleaning at all. There was a senior lady with her daughter. Maybe the daughter was so busy working as everybody. And the senior lady, well, she couldn't do nothing in the house. The handle was so greasy, so yellow, so I don't know what kind of word I have to use. So in order to clean it, I use a magic eraser in conjunction of a cleaner that we have that is by what is the name? By Diversey. It's a Emerald, a multi-surface cream cleanser by Diversey. That cream is really good for a multi-surface, especially in wood. It won't scratch. It's like a cream that is really good to remove grease, mildew stains, soap scum, scuff. And then when I use the creamer, or you can use any kind of cream, even you can use what is the name of that power? Bar's Keeper, friend. That's a really good cleanser too. I use the magic eraser to have more traction, more action, and then a wipe cloth, rinsing the product and removing. This is the first part of the video. TikTok doesn't allow me to record a lot. So I hope that you can see how good it came.